Hi dear friends, welcome to our YouTube channel HR Tutorials India. In this video, we will be discussing about searching the right candidate. This is the third stage of recruitment process. How to search the right applicant? Searching the right applicant. Searching is the process of recruitment where the resources are sourced depending upon the requirement of the job. After recruitment strategy is done, the searching of candidates will be initiated. This process consists of two steps. Source activation. Once the line manager verifies and permits the existence of the vacancy, the search for candidates starts. Selling. Here, the organization selects the media through which the communication of vacancies reaches the prospective candidates. In a previous video, we have seen what is recruitment strategy and what are the different steps of recruitment strategy. The next stage after recruitment strategy is searching the right applicants. Searching the right applicants is the process of recruitment where the applicants or the resources are sourced through different medias for fulfilling the requirement of the job. The process of searching the right applicants consists of two steps. Source activation. In this, the line manager of a department verifies and gives permissions to the human resource department about the vacancies in their specific department for fulfilling the vacant positions. Then the search of or sourcing of candidates starts. Then comes selling, where the organization or the company selects a proper medium through which the communication can be passed on to the candidates for fulfilling the vacant positions. Searching involves attracting the job seekers to the vacancies. The sources are broadly divided into two categories: internal sources and external sources. For fulfilling any vacancy, it is the role of a human resource department to attract the job seekers to fulfill the vacant positions. Internal sources are those sources through which the vacant positions are fulfilled within the organization, and the external sources are the sources where the vacant positions are fulfilled from the external sources, which is from outside the organization. Searching the right applicant through internal sources. Internal sources of recruitment refers to hiring employees within the organization through promotions, transfers, former employees, internal advertisements, job posting, employee referrals, and then previous applicants. As said, internal sources of recruitment refers to the process of hiring within the organizations, like promotions. If there are vacant positions in a department, depending upon the experience levels, the candidates or the resources are promoted to specific vacant positions, depending upon their experiences and skills. Then comes transfers. If there are different branches or different departments within the organization, depending upon the requirement of the vacant positions, the employees will be transferred from one department to other department depending upon the requirement of the vacant positions. Then comes the former employees. Former employees are those who have left the organization and they might be in between the jobs, whom can be contacted about the vacant positions and can be fulfilled in a short duration, because the former employees already have an experience and knowledge about the project of the organization where they have already worked. Then comes the internal advertisements or job posting within the organization. By posting the advertisement within the company through mails or messages or announcement within the organization, there could be initiative from the different employees who have capabilities and skills depending upon the requirement of that specific job can be hired. Then comes employee referrals. By announcing the requirement within the organization to the employees, there could be referrals which comes from the employees of the relatives or friends or family members through which the vacant position can be fulfilled in a short duration. Then comes previous applicants. There could be different applications which the company might have received earlier for the vacant positions. Those people can be contacted and fill the vacant position depending upon their availability and depending upon the skills required for that specific position in an organization. Searching the right applicant through external sources. External sources of recruitment refers to hiring employees outside the organization through direct recruitment, employment exchanges, employment agencies, advertisements, professional associations, campus recruitment, word of mouth. As we said, searching the applicants through external sources will happen outside the organization, which could be through direct recruitment. Direct recruitment is nothing but recruiting of resources directly by the company without any intermediates. This can be done through daily walk-ins, or the job posting can be done on the company website where the applicants will be applying and can be contacted directly and recruited. Then comes employment exchanges. We need to share our requirements to the employment exchanges, wherein the resources in the employment exchange will be shared by the employment exchange department to the company where the recruitment can takes place. Then comes employment agencies. There are recruitment consultancies and employment agencies wherein the company can ask for resources for the specific requirements by sharing job description and job specifications. Then the candidates will be chosen and interviewed and shared with the company where the interviews can take place and candidates can be hired. Then comes advertisements. There are different types of advertisements where we can post our job in newspaper, social media and classifieds, etc., where the candidates will be interviewed and shortlisted. Then comes professional associations. There are different types of associations which consist of a database of professionals wherein these associations can be approached and resources can be sourced. Then comes campus recruitment. Campus recruitment is nothing but recruiting the resources through campus interviews. These will come in place for a fresher job requirements, where the colleges are approached for resources from different streams depending upon the requirement of the company, and the resources are interviewed and shortlisted. Then finally comes the word of mouth. When we announce the requirement within the organization or outside the organization, people who knows the requirement in the company, wherein this information will be passed to different people who are looking after a job. If the resources fulfill the skills and experiences, then they will be applying for the job application with the organization. So dear friends, in this video we have discussed about searching the right applicant for the vacant positions and different types of sources like internal sources and external sources for searching and hiring the resources for the vacant position in an organization. If you like this video, please subscribe and share among your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.